In the last video, we explored class component lifecycle methods like componentDidMount, componentDidUpdate, and componentWillUnmount. But today, in modern React, we use functional components. So the big question is, how do we do the same things using useEffect? Let me show you. Let's take our previous example and convert it into a functional component with useEffect. Remember, componentDidMount useEffect equal componentDidUpdate useEffect equal dependency. componentWillUnmount return inside useEffect. Let's code it out. Inside your source C components folder, create a new file, functional lifecycle demo.js. Import React, useState, useEffect from React. Function functional lifecycle demo. Const count, set count, useState 0. / componentDidMount useEffect. Console log component mounted. / componentWillUnmount return equals console.log component unmounted. componentDidUpdate, only when count changes. useEffect, if count 0, console.log component updated, count is count. Count, return div, functional lifecycle demo. Count, button on click it, set count, count 1. Increment, export default functional lifecycle demo. Now in app.js, replace the previous import with JSX import functional lifecycle demo from /components functional lifecycle demo. And make sure your app shows the component toggle just like before. JSX function app const show set show equals useState true. Return div class name app button on click set show. Show hide component show component. Show and functional lifecycle demo div. Now go to your browser at localhost 3000. When the page loads, check the browser console. You'll see component mounted. Click increment a few times. Now you'll see component updated. Click hide component and boom, you'll see component unmounted. So simple, right? Let's break it down one more time. useEffect. This runs only once when the component mounts, like componentDidMount. useEffect, count. This runs every time the count changes, like componentDidUpdate. Return. This cleanup function runs before the component disappears, just like componentWillUnmount. With just one hook, useEffect, you can do everything that those older class methods did. And it's way cleaner. That's why modern React developers love functional components. All right, coder. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. And as always, keep coding with me.